How to flip and rotate a video in CapCut. Hello everyone, in this video I'm gonna show you how you can flip and rotate a video in CapCut. So firstly, on your device, look for any updates that may be available for your CapCut app. Open Play Store or App Store on your device and search for the CapCut application. If you see any update option available, then click on the update option to update your app. Now go back to your home page and open the CapCut app. Flipping and rotating a video on CapCut is a very simple and easy process. In your CapCut app, make sure that you have imported the video that you would like to flip or rotate. From the timeline, select your video. Now at the very bottom panel, swipe the icons. You will see an option called Transform. Click on it. Now you might say that there is no option for flip. However, the first option called Mirror does the exact same thing as flip. When you click on it, then your video clip will flip. To rotate your video, you will need to click on the middle icon, Rotate. This will rotate your video in different angles. If you want to rotate it manually, then you can use your two fingers to rotate the video. So that is it for this video. I will see you in the next one. Thank you.